We'll guide you through how to install Fabric in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So with Fabric, you can go and run mods in Minecraft. It's a mod launcher, so we're going to guide you through how you can get it. To get started, you need to close out of Minecraft like so, and go and open up a web browser of your choice. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and search for Fabric, like so. You need to make sure you come to the official site, which is fabricmc.net. You may need to go and type that in more specifically to go and find it. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go and check out the link down below in the description and the pinned comment. With a server, you can easily go and play with other players like your friends, and you can go and get a discount right now as well, so it's definitely worth checking out. We can scroll down and start checking out some of their great features, like a free subdomain making it easy to connect, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support so you can get help when you need it, automated backups, and some great features like that. So check them out if you're interested. So to continue, what you need to do is go and find the download button for Fabric and go and click that there. And then you want to go and press download for Windows, like so. Now in this case, if I look in the top right, it has been blocked, so I'm going to click on it and press download unverified file, get the Fabric API. So what we need to do is go and click on it like so. This brings you to CurseForge. Press files just here. Now, basically the version you go and get is going to go and depend upon the version of Fabric that you're wanting to go and run. So I would usually go and get the most up-to-date version, but I do know that some people are going to go and want a certain version for a certain mod. So at the top here, it says game versions. You could go and select a specific one. I'll just choose the most up-to-date one, and we can press the download button over to the right. And this is for 26.2. So we can press download, and now it's going and downloading, and you can go and see it was blocked, so I'll go and click on it in the top right and press download unverified file. But of course, you could get an older version for a different mod. And it's just an essential, because I got it for 26.2 in this case, that any other version we then go and get needs to be for 26.2 for mods. Now, we're just going to quickly grab a mod just to go and guide you through how it can be done. So we'll press browse all at the top. Then we can come on the left here and we'll go and select 26.2 just to sort of help filter it out. And we'll select Fabric as well. Zero's minimap, this is a really great one. We can go and click on it. Then you can scroll down and read about it. But to go and get it, press files. And then we need to make sure we get it for 26.2 and for Fabric. So we can then press the download button to the right and we can download it. You can actually go and use those filters to the top to go and help with the process. Then it's gone and downloaded. We can click on it in the top right and press download unverified file. So you've now downloaded what we need. Just be aware of ads. What we can then do is come out of the web browser and you want to go and open up your file explorer at the bottom of your computer. Press downloads to the left, and here's what we just went and downloaded. So to get started, double click on the Fabric installer. This opens up. Make sure you choose the version that you want. We got the latest, which is 26.2, but you may have got an older version. Then you can press install at the bottom, and it now has. You can actually go and press mods folder here, and that'll take you straight to it. And you can then find the API and the mods you got or mod, and you can drag them in like that. That's it. You can press OK and close this, and you can press search at the bottom, and we'll go and open up the Minecraft launcher. To the left of the play button, make sure you go and select Fabric. And if you want to access the mod folder again, you can press installations at the top, scroll down and go and find Fabric and press the folder icon to the right. And then you want to scroll down in here and you can go and find the mods folder. Here it is. Double click on it and you can access it, add or remove mods. We'll come back to play though, and we'll press play. And now let's get started. It's now opened. You can see that it's modded. We can come into single player and I'll just go and create a new world. This is really easy to tell it's installed because you can go and see the minimap in the top left.